I'm here to tell you, it's not you, it's not your content. I'm going to tell you exactly what the problem is. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's your girl cynmarie and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you like what you hear and what you see today. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a minute, what is up? And in today's video, I'm going to tell you the real truth. Okay, the real truth. It's not you, it's not your content, it's not your thumbnail. You are not the problem. The problem is YouTube is only going to push who they want to push, and that's the honest truth. And I'm gonna tell you why. I have done my research. I have followed every single thing that I found out in my research, and guess what? It's not really working like that. So I mean, it's working, but I mean, it's not working. Do you ever notice how when you look on YouTube, no one has small views? Like nobody, maybe us. I know that we are new to YouTube, but we have been working very hard. Consistency is key. I can say that since I've been posting videos every single day that my subscribers have went through the roof, and I'm so grateful for that because I really take pride and time in my content. But I'm telling you, YouTube only pushes and promotes who they want to push and promote. That's the bottom line to it. So guess what? We have to help ourselves. We have to help ourselves. Like I was saying, when you're on YouTube, do you see people have small views like me or like you? Everybody up in the thousands, 100,000s, millions. Guess what? They paid their way to the top. And y'all may think that it sounds crazy, but I'm telling the truth. But it's a legitimate way to pay to get to the top. You can use Google advertising or YouTube advertising. Either one of those is legitimate. It's ran through YouTube and it's ran through Facebook. All you have to do is pay to get your video on the platform as an ad. Yes, you can pay as small as $5 a day. $5 a day, which would be about $150, $55 a month to get your video ran every single day on the YouTube platform in the form of an ad. Every time somebody clicks on that, you get the view. And if you monetize, you're going to run your money up. If you're not monetized, you're getting your watch time hours and you're going to gain subscribers. I'm telling you, you may think I'm just tripping. If you go on YouTube, look on there. You will not see many people with small views. Everybody is up 50K, 100K. They up there because they had to start from the bottom just like us. They learned the key quick, and the key is pay your way to the top. YouTube and Google allows you to pay your way to the top because guess what? They're gaining money as well. YouTube is about money, just like we are. That makes the world go round. So if you're paying for ads, they're getting money. If you're letting ads being ran on your videos, they're getting money. So anything that's going to make them money, they're down for it. So I'm telling you, it only takes $5 a day to get your video ran as an ad. If you monetize, you're going to see how quick and easy it is for you to get money. Your money's going to start rolling in, and also you'll get views and subscribers. You can go and you can Google and you can see how legitimate it is to run ads, to run your video as an ad and run your bag up, run your subscribers up, run your views and your watch time hours if you're trying to get monetized. It's not spoke on enough, but like I told you, on this channel, I keep it real. I'm going to tell you the real. And I'm going to, as of right now, I have one of my videos running as an ad. And once it's done, I will give you the analytics on it. I will show you. It's doing good now. The video is doing good now. I tried one video. I did it at $10 a day, which will give me about 2,000 views a day. It just depends. The more money you put down, the more views you'll get. The more it'll get circulated around YouTube. But I'm telling you, you have to pay your way to the top. And once you get to the top, you'll have all your subscribers. And those people will start following you organically. And then you'll get to the point to where you don't have to pay for ads anymore. Your fans are there. But you have to get to your fans. You need a push. You know, a lot of people are making videos. A lot of videos are being put on YouTube seconds, every second of the day. We're small YouTubers. We're getting watered down. It doesn't matter how good our content is. YouTube is going to water us down for the people that have made a name on the platform, because that's where their money is. So in order to get yourself up there and stop being watered down, you have to pay your way to the top. And once you get to the top, then you can stop paying for ads. But until then, pay for ads to get yourself known. You have to help yourself, because if you think posting your video on YouTube is just going to do wonderful, 9 times out of 10 it's not. YouTube is not thinking about our small video, and it's so wrong, and I know it, but I'm just keeping it real. I'm keeping it real. Now, I have done a lot of research, and I will say, again, consistency is key. I can bank on that. I can tell you that now. Posting every day or posting several times a week, you will gain subscribers. You will gain views. You will, because I'm telling you, I have gained over 500-600 subscribers in the last month and a half from posting every single day. That helps a lot. You have to stay consistent. You have to engage with your audience. But I'm telling you, these big time YouTubers started just at the bottom where we were, and they paid for their videos as an ad, and they ran it up. Okay, so some people may think $155 cannot be squeezed into their budget. I understand that, but listen to this. You have to invest in yourself. Let me tell you how you can flip that $155. What you can do is, if you already monetize and you spend $150 for 1 month of ads, when you receive your YouTube check for the following month, use that YouTube check money and do it again. Just keep flipping that same money over and over and over until you're able to not have to do it anymore. But you have to invest in yourself. It doesn't matter what type of business you're in. You have to invest in yourself. No one is going to care about you and what you're doing but you. You have to help yourself. You have to put in that extra to get it where you want it to go. No one's going to take your hand and drag you along. Some people may help you along the way, like me. I'm going to help you along the way. But it's up to you to get it done. I can give you all this information, but if you're not using it, then it's not helping. So you need to try it. At least try for 1 month. If you can't do a whole month of $5 a day, do $5 for a week. See how many views, subscribers, watch time hours you get. Just try it out to see. See if it works for you. Everyone may not like this way, but you have to try it out in order to know. So go ahead, try it out. I'm doing one now. My numbers are looking great. I told myself that I want to make XYZ on my July YouTube check. So, baby, I'm working hard. I'm going to continue to post videos. I'm going to continue to post informative, correct information videos. I'm going to continue to support my supporters. We're going to do this together, and I want y'all to come. We coming along together. So I want you to take the time, go on YouTube advertising or Google advertising, and just $5 a day. Try for a week. Try for a week and see how you like it. And if you like it and you can afford it, go ahead and do it for the rest of the month. Take that money, flip it. When you get your YouTube check the next month, take it and flip it. Let's just say you're not monetized. Try for a week or two. Hey, you never know. You may put enough money into your YouTube advertising where the next month you get monetized. And then you can start flipping your money. Let your money work for you. You want to take this YouTube thing serious, you got to put in the extra work. People are paying for ads. I'm telling you, I did my research. If you go on YouTube, you are not going to see people with 100, 200, 300 views. You're not going to see that because they're paying for ads to get their videos ran. They're paying for ads on Facebook. They're paying for ads on Instagram. They're doing whatever they have to do to get themselves to the top. If this is something that you really, truly want to do, you have to invest in yourself. If you're not taking this YouTube thing serious, I wouldn't invest the money because that's a waste of money if you're not going to continue to pursue your dream on YouTube. But if you're serious about YouTube, invest in yourself. Let your money work for you. I promise you, in the end, you will be happy that you did so. But I'm going to tell you, don't go over your means. Don't go over your budget. Don't be setting unrealistic monthly amounts for the YouTube channel. You don't want to overdo yourself. Take it slow. This is trial and error. If you want to try it out for a week, and I promise you, you'll be on that thing again. So I truly wish you the best. If you do Google advertising or YouTube advertising, let me know in the comments. Give me an update. I really want to know. And I'm going to give an update on mine as well, because we're going to be popping and future millionaires together. Okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. I will get back with you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like this video. If you can, share this video. And if you got this far and you're not subscribed, subscribe to your girl. I'm dropping gems. Every video I'm dropping gems, because I truly want all us to win. I'm not about self. I'm a Libra, so you know how we love people. So yeah, just keep going. Consistency is key. I can stand on that. I know a lot of people say that, but consistency is key. My subscribers have gone through the roof, and I'm so glad and blessed that God has sent me the subscribers and supporters I have, because I love them, they love me, and we're going to keep this thing going. We're going to win together. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and do the $5 a day. Get your video ran as an ad for at least a week, and watch your views, subscribers, watch time hours, watch all that stuff. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Until next time, your girl cynmarie is out.